Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install Gemini on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On the latest version of ChromeOS, we get Gemini pre-installed. However, if you're not getting Gemini on your app launcher, then you can manually install it. For that, first of all, you have to update your Chromebook to the latest ChromeOS version. To do so, simply click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, click on gear icon to open settings, click on About ChromeOS and here click on Check for updates and update your Chromebook to the latest ChromeOS version. After that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, click on power button, then click on restart. Once done, click on App Launcher and here in the app drawer, you should get Gemini application. However, if you're still not getting the Gemini application, then simply look for Apps and Games app, simply open it and here search for Gemini and select it from the search result and click on Install from Web option and install it. After that, you should get Gemini application on your Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.